Hi, I'm Miss Tierney. I am your student's AP Literature teacher this year. Many of you I was able to meet 4 years ago when I had your students in English 1. I also coach cross country and track. I am the student council assistant supervisor. I am in charge of homecoming and Miss Point High, and I also advise the sophomore class. This year, I'll be preparing your students for the AP exam in May of 2021. I've included some information from our district about the benefits of taking the AP exam, not just for your student, but also for our school. We always ask our students to leave the school better than they found it for the next generation, and this is a great way that they can do that. Also, in preparing students for the AP exam, I'm also preparing them for college. The College Board has aligned the AP exam with many of the skills and strategies that the students will need to be successful in college. So the test is broken into two parts. Section 1 includes 5 reading passages with 55 multiple choice questions, which equal 45% of the student's grade. Section 2 includes 3 free response questions. Students worked on a couple of those over the summer to prepare for the exam. Question 1 is poetry analysis. Question 2 is a short story analysis. And then question 3 is a novel analysis. By the end of the year, we will read a total of 10 longer works, including summer reading. The course includes summer reading. We are currently working on college essays independently. I've asked students to share those with me at their earliest convenience so that I can get back to them in a reasonable amount of time. We just started reading East of Eden. The first unit is due on September 22nd, I believe, where we will also incorporate poetry and short stories that I will pair with the longer works like the novels and the drama. We also study mythology, biblical allusions, and literary devices because all of those things are so apparent in the literature that they're reading. And to have a great understanding of what we're doing in class, they really need to have that background to get everything that they possibly can out of the work. After we're done with the exam, students will work on a literary analysis and a research paper, and I'll make sure that they're familiar with the databases that they'll need to know how to use when they get to college. If you have any questions, you can email me at tierneyj@ptbeach.com. Also, take a look at your student's Google Classroom. We've already done a bunch of cool stuff. Their view is different than yours, so make sure that you ask them if you can take a look at it. And finally, if you follow me on Twitter at Tierney PPB, you'll see that I post different activities that we're doing and pictures of the students collaborating with one another throughout the school week, just so that parents can kind of have a snapshot as to what's happening here at school. Thanks.